me he was single, and we hit it off right away. So we started living together. He'd go to work, he'd come home. I'd fix him a drink, we'd have dinner. And then I found out. Single, he told me. Single my ass. Not only was he married, oh no, he had 6 wives. One of those Mormons, you know? So that night when he came home from work, I fixed him his drink, as usual. You know, some guys just can't hold their arsenic. He had it coming, he had it coming, this romance, he took the brow, set it to try. And then he used it, and he abused it. It was a murder, and none of the hardest romances.
Now I'm standing in the kitchen, carving up the chicken for dinner, minding my own business. In storms my husband Wilbur in just rage. You've been screwing the milkman, he says. He was crazy. And he kept on screaming, "You've been screwing the milkman!" And then he ran into my knife. He ran into my knife 10 times.
If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
Мій Киришикель. Господи, дякую, Киришло, кумлеко в тому ефірі. Він біглечі в тому ефірі. Та не мегос. І навіть лонгою. Ne tudom. Vergonyálkoztam, hogy indancám. Próbáltam. A rendesen kell megmagyarázni. Ti nem érted meg.
Yeah, but did you do it?
Not guilty.
My sister Veronica and I had this double act, and my husband Charlie traveled around with us. Now, for the last number in our act, we did these 20 acrobatic tricks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, splits, spread eagles, backflips, flip-flops, one right after the other. So there's one night before the show, we're down at the Hotel Cicero, the 3 of us boozing, having a few laughs. And we ran out of ice, so I go out to get some. I come back, open the door, and there's Veronica and Charlie doing number 17, the spread eagle. Well, I was in such a state of shock. I completely blacked out. I can't remember a thing. It wasn't until later, when I was washing the blood off my hands, I even knew they were dead. They had it coming,